Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. It's your English period and I'm your English teacher. I hope you all will be fine. It's your read now work. You have to take out your English LIT notebook. You will prepare your notebook page very neatly. Then you will write your topic. Your topic is the wonderful end. Today we will do words meaning of this chapter. You will mention exercise number 1, write down the meanings. Put hyphens, underline your topic and question. Then you will write words, meanings, and then you will write your first word. All letter must be in small writing of words and meanings. Okay. Your first word is crawling. Crawling means to move on hands and knees. In this chapter, we have read about the crawling of ants. Now you have to look here in this picture. This is the crawling of ants. Ants are crawling, they are moving on their hands and knees. Okay, it's the crawling of ants. Done. Now you know what is crawling. Then your second word is crumb. Crumb is a small particle of bread, means a small piece of bread. Now look here in this picture, it's a bread crumb. Okay, these are the small pieces from bread. Then you will write your third word, that is fright. Fright is sudden feeling of fear. Now you have to look here in this picture. The girl is in fright, means she is suddenly scared by something. Okay, look here. She is frightened or she is in fright. Then you have to write your fourth word, that is idle. Idle means doing nothing to be free. Means a man who is sitting all free doing nothing. Okay. Look here in this picture. This man is a perfect example of an idle man. Okay. He is almost in sleeping mood. He is sitting free and doing nothing. Only he is taking tea or taking rest. He is not doing any kind of work. So he is an example of idle. Okay, then read out your fifth word. Then you will write hatch. Hatch means a process of producing babies from eggs. Okay, now you have to look here in this picture. This process is called hatching. This is a process in which babies are produced from the eggs. Look here, first egg is complete, then it is little bit cracked, then it almost cracked, and the baby is out and the baby is all out. Okay, this process is called hatching. Then you have to write your sixth word, that is grubs. All letter must be small and you have to do your work with a sharpened pencil. Okay, grubs are small insects. Look here in this picture, we have read about ants, grubs. So look here in this picture, these are the grubs. These are the small insects which later converted into ants. Okay, there are so many ants, but with ants there are also grubs. First of all, when ants are in their birth cycle, they produce grubs. Okay, then these grubs are converted into ants, so all these are grubs. Then you have to write your seventh word, that is fancy. Fancy is a desire or a wish of any person. Okay, then you will write your eighth word, that is a passage. Passage is a path, that is a narrow kind of path. Look here, it's a passage. Okay, it's a narrow path for walking or for doing anything. Okay, so it's a passage or path. Then you have to write your ninth word, that is defend. Defend means to protect. Okay, look here in this picture. The man is defending himself from arrows. This shield is protecting that man from the arrows. Okay, so this is called defend. Okay, self defense, or he is protecting himself with the help of a shield. Okay, now you know what is defend. Then you have to write your last word, that is foes. Foes are the enemies. Look here in this picture. This is example of foes or enemies. Okay. One person is our friend, but the other person who is having no kind of sympathy for us, that is our foe or enemy. Okay. Now you have to write all these words meanings neatly on your LIT notebook. Then you have to learn it and have to send me your feedback.